Okay, let's go ahead and do this question. So this question says that the first three terms of an expansion of a binomial is 1, 10 and 40. So the first three terms, so since you've already watched the binomial video, so you would know what each term represents. So the first term is going to be equal to, so if let's suppose I'm going to write down the basic expression over here. A plus b raised to the power n is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 till k is equal to n into a raised to the power n minus k into b raised to the power k. Right, so this is the basic expression of a binomial theorem. So the first expression is going to be nc0 into a raised to the power n into b raised to the power 0. The second expression is going to be nc1 into a raised to the power n minus 1 into b raised to the power 1. And the third expression is going to be a raised to the power n minus 2 into b raised to the power 2. Now this is equal to 1, this is equal to 10, and this is equal to 40. So nc0 is going to be 1, that's a given there. nc1 is going to be equal to n, and nc2 is going to be n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So as I said, n is going to decrease 2 terms backwards divided by 2 factorial. This is going to get multiplied by a raised to the power n, that is equal to 1, and b raised to the power 0 is also equal to 1. This is going to be a raised to the power n minus 1 into b, that is going to be equal to 10, and this is going to be equal to a raised to the power n minus 2 into b to the power 2, that is equal to 40. So from here I can say that a raised to the power n is equal to 1. Right, so this is something but that is a raised to the power n is equal to 1. Now in a binomial theorem, you cannot have the coefficients, there are two possibilities. Well, a raised to the power n will give you 1 here. One possibility is that if n is equal to 0, another possibility is that if a is equal to 1. Now this possibility cannot happen. There cannot be 0 terms in a binomial theorem. Well, we're going to eliminate that possibility there. So a is equal to 1 is what we're going to take. So that means a over here is equal to 1. So if I kind of move away from here, a is equal to 1. That's what I get from here. From here I get n into b is equal to 10. From here I get n into n minus 1 into b square is equal to 80. So kind of took this 2 to that side. Now if I kind of divide this expression with this expression, so I get n into n minus 1 into b square divided by n into b is equal to 8. This b and this b cancels out. This n and this n cancels out. So from here I'm going to have n minus 1 into b to be equal to 8. And n into b minus b is equal to 8. Since we already know that n into b is equal to 10, so that means 10 minus b is equal to 8 and b is equal to 2. So if b is equal to 2 and n into b is equal to 10, that means the value of n is going to be equal to 5. Hence my binomial expression is going to be a plus b raised to the power n. So this is the binomial expression which will give me the first term as 1, second term as 10 and the third term as 20. So from here we got a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and n equal to 5. So I suppose you're understanding this video here guys. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.